to my channel. So guys, Selin, if you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, hey bulls, what's up, how you guys doing? So guys, today I'm coming up to you with this kind of sexy chocolate brownish matte eye look with a brownish nude lip, and I'm really happy the way it turned out. A new palette to achieve this eye look, super affordable eye look. Okay, so if you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this eye look and lip combo, you don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think it was helpful, useful, and feel free to recreate if you're interested. You know what I mean, you know how it's doing. Sucking as always, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. Take care, love you, ciao. Hey guys, what's good, what's popping? This beat, let's jump into this eye look. Okay, the urban decay primer portion first before I go in with the main base. All right, okay, so just apply a little bit. I'm going to be taking my blender brush. I'm just going to apply that all over my eye. This NYX jumbo pencil in dark brown, that is going to be the base. I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid basically, and then I go ahead and blend it with my small round brush so that we can have smooth edges. I'm going to be taking this small round brush from Louvier Cosmetic without anything applying on the brush. I'm just basically blending out the edges before I go in with the main crease color. I'm just going to start with a circular motion from my outer corner to my inner corner. Yups, baby girl, that's what we're talking, Right now, I'm super excited with the way the blending turned out. So I'm going to take the tip of the brush. I'm just going to dab the middle. The reason why I'm doing this, so that when I apply any shade, is not being patchy or tacky. It looks super smooth when I apply any shade right there, if that makes sense. So right now, base done, period. Jump into the palette that is getting mama life together. Trend up palettes, okay, trend it up palette. They're super beautiful. So to start up, I'm going to be taking this beautiful light kind of purple, super light, taking this shade right here. That is going to be my first transition color. To do that, I'm going to be taking this Smokey blender brush, just like so. Wow, super big made for the price. You can go wrong. I got it €5 something if I'm not mistaken. I'm just going to dust the excess away to start from light shade to warm shade, if that makes sense. I'm just going to blend it out, okay? Blend the edges, baby girl. Blend it out. I love this shade that I'm starting up with. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, as you can see already, we have a dimension. The dimension is super real, super lit, like seriously. Wow, it's just diffused that ashiness of the edges, from the edges of the edges, whatever, period. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side so that it can look a little bit, just a little bit like sisters, okay? They ain't twins, they ain't twins, they're just being sister or relatives, okay? I just got it a few days ago because I really wanted something new, even if I know I have a bunch of new eyeshadows, but I'm not ready right now to play with them. I still want to lie low. You know how Mama do it. Easy go. I'm an easy go person, okay? I don't rush my things. That's why I always like to look put together, you know what I mean? Anyway, let me stop rumbling. I'm taking the same brush, dipping into this beautiful dark peachy color, and I'm going to go ahead, dust the excess away. Ooh, just going to start a blend. Yes, wow, that is beautiful, girl. That's beautiful. That's a look, girl. That is a look. Wow, you see how we transfer from light to dark? You see how that's super beautiful chocolate color. I'm going to dip in my brush into this beautiful peachy color right here, and I'm just going to gently blend everything together for what seamlessly blended. You know how we do it, baby girl. Yes. Okay. Wing life. Smudgebox brush, and dipping my brush into the beautiful nude shade, and I'm going to apply that as my brow bone highlight. Just that, baby girl. And all this eyeshadow, all the shade inside this palette, they're all matte. Okay, we don't have a shimmer shade. That is why I even grabbed it at the first place. So yes, that is why I grabbed the palette. The palette was just calling me. Say my name. Say my name. Supposed to use a flat brush, but I decided to use this brush today because I saw it on YouTube. It was super impressive, so I decided to try it. I'm going to be taking the darkest shade inside this palette. I'm just going to kind of, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm not going to swap it. Just watch me do. Wow, that's beautiful. Yes, this is a look, honey. This is a look which is giving me that extra halo eye look, and I'm not mad. I'm loving it. Like seriously, I'm really loving it. This shade is a little bit light. I'm not mad. I'm loving the effect. I don't know if you guys can tell how beautiful it is. Can you tell? It's beautiful. I love it. Like seriously, I love it. I'm just going to blend it around softly. No hard feelings, don't get left with it. Okay, shade mixed together with this shade. I'm just going to apply that under my eye. Go in with this Catrice eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to line my waterline with it. I'm going to go ahead and line my inner corner with a e.l.f. gel liner before I go in with a liquid liner. So I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. liquid liner. For mascara, I'm just going to go in with the Toofaced Better Than Sex mascara. Lashes, I'm going to be applying one of my favorite lashes. Yes. Highlight my inner corner. I'm going to be taking this Catrice Fruits Passion highlighter palette. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, very softly and very tiny. Yes, I'll be using this over again. I'm just going to line my lips. Be taking this MAC lipstick, and this one is in a Chender one of my holy grail when it comes to nude lippy. Guys, I have two lip gloss I'm going to be using. This one is Vampility by MAC, and this one is by Catrice Lip Glance, and I'm just going to apply this first before I go in with the lip glance. Okay, this one has more shine to it. Easier to the word, to you baby girls. Mention, you know what I mean, baby girl, bully.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. Have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow.